Good morning, guys. It's day 3 of Bear Paw. We're just waking up now, and we're just sitting outside listening to the birds. And Ella's enjoying the view, too. Sorry, I almost hit that pole. Alright, well, we're just gonna find some breakfast and then probably go out on the lake today, maybe. We'll find out what we do.
Put them, if they're in the big one, I can put them in the
Stop!
You're so weird.
Thank you.
Thanks, John.
I found this in my bathing suit from PacSun. I don't know why they left it in my pocket.
It says Pacific somewhere.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what it
PacSun.
means.
That's what PacSun means.
I'm an
What do
idiot.
you mean?
There you go. Put it in your
Thanks.
pocket.
Alright, we're getting ready for the boat. We're gonna go out and
What's boat in
hopefully...
Spanish? What is boat in Spanish?
Botox?
Bota?
Botox. What?
What?
What is boat in Spanish? Take a think. Barco. Barco.
Oh my god, okay. We'll be back on the boat later.
Barco. What was that?
I hit the soap with my camera strap. What?
How's it going?
You've already sang it like 6 times.
Who's singing?
Here we go.
Guys, cucumber.
This is the full. Lauren.
Sings a silly song. Where? Use my hairbrush. Alright guys, well, it's raining really badly, so we're just gonna stay here and kick the ball around and do that.
Unfortunately, you got to stay.
So yeah,
Stay with us if you can.
sorry we can't go on the boat today, but we'll find out later if we can, so I'll update y'all later. Is it shutting? Oh. Well, we're on the boat now, even though it's still raining.
Yep.
We're gonna just do it, I guess.
We're going to deal with it.
Just do it.
Don't let your dreams be dreams.
What? Alright guys. Meh. I'm not gonna sit like that, okay. Alright, guys. Well, we're just waiting to see if the rain will stop completely so we can actually go out. But right now we're just chilling at the dock on the boat. Lucian's doing some magnet thingy.
Magnet fishing.
Magnet fishing?
Mm-hmm.
He's trying to see if anything's magnetic that will click to his magnet. I don't know. Alright, well, if we go out, you'll see that later.
Fishing net.
Bless you. I don't see any fishing net
Yeah,
either.
listen, look.
I don't see any. This might be a different group of geese though.
Wait, what is that? It's still there.
It's still there?
Yeah. It looks different.
It's got something on its beak. Its beak might be. I don't know what's wrong with it.
Oh, poor thing.
It looks like they cut it off. He looks fine though.
I was like, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going
The
on?
first one I said, I don't think I got anything.
Good job. Alright guys, we're gonna go swimming again. There's nothing much to film because we're at the lake, so we're just gonna get lake videos. And the rain has stopped over on this side, so we're gonna swim on this side of the lake today. So enjoy.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so object of the game.
Yeah?
You stay behind your pole
Uh-huh.
and throw your frisbee and try to hit the bottle.
Got it.
If you hit the bottle and it hits the ground,
Uh-huh.
and the frisbee that you've thrown also hits the ground,
Uh-huh.
you get 3 points.
What do you mean, of course, the frisbee's gonna hit the ground?
Well, you can catch it. Okay, so as it hits the bottle and as the frisbee's going, anyone on your team can try to grab either. You can grab the bottle and the
Okay.
frisbee. That's what you want to do to keep us from getting points.
Okay. Oh, yeah! Good job.
Dang, I think it would hit it.
No, they got 3 more.
Yeah, we got it.
All right, good.
You're welcome.
Go get it.
Ella! Ella, look! Let's go! Come on! Hello!
Who is it? I know.
Hello. Of course. You guys leave me, I go shopping. Hey, Ella came down and she was like,
Oh my god.
Make sure I got
All right. Am I recording?
Limbo.
Yes, I am recording. We are now going to go around on the boat and watch the sunset because the storm is gone.
We gotta put the third row up, yeah.
Yeah, we have to put the third row up because Mom is here.
Hey, Lucian, Mom.
What's going on?
I don't know. We're about to go watch the sunset. I'm just filming.
I gotta see it.
Am I not allowed to film?
Nothing like another windshield break.
Yep, here it is. Here I go. Now you slide. You've got slobbered all over that ball. You gotta hold your ball. Oh, good God. Oh God. All right, we're all dead now.
Say hello.
Killed it. I was doing my move.
Oh, Bobby.
The complex mineral. Metal. Bill Nye, the science guy, said, whoop, there it is. There it goes.
Bill.
Bill Nye, the science guy. Lucian, the science guy.
Ton of rocks. Look how many rocks.
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah,
That
okay,
right
take
there
a
is
picture
all
of that.
iron ore is what that
Wow. That's awesome. Good job.
Good job.
Lucian. Now we can eat tomorrow.
Goodness.
I'm trying to do a panorama.
Alright guys, thank you for watching today's video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and another video will be here tomorrow. Peace.